friends, this is Shavik Malik and today I have this fast charging cable for your smartphone. So let's get started. So here is the box guys. Now let me just quickly unbox it and show you what's inside it. And here as you can see guys, the packaging is really good. You can see the cable is worth the money, and if I show you, you can see the Tuzker branding is written right over the USB type B, and here you can see the Tuzker logo engraved on the USB type A. And if I just unwrap these seals and show you, you can see the quality of the cable is really very good. Let me just open it. Another one. And here you can see the thickness of the cable is worth the money. You will not get such a thick cable in this price range. I just got it at 280 rupees from Amazon. Link will be given below. Do check them out. You can get it in a very good price. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, signing off. Goodbye. Have a good day.